Good morning, student. In previous video, I have explained how microorganisms are the cause of various communicable disease in humans, other animals and plants. Microorganisms also spoil the food. Spoiled food has bad smell and bad taste and causes food poisoning. Food can be preserved by protecting it from microorganisms. Therefore, to prevent the food from spoiling, food preservation is necessary. Food can be preserved by different methods. They are: first one is chemical methods. Food like pickles can be preserved by using chemicals like salts and edible oils. Jams and squashes can be preserved by using sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfite. These chemicals are called preservatives. So, chemical method is used for preserving various type of food. Second one is by using common salt. Common salt is also used as a preservative. Food items like fish, meat, amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. can be preserved by using common salt. It prevents the growth of microbes. And third method is by using sugar. It is also most common method to preserve food. Food items like jam, jellies, squashes, etc. can be preserved by using sugar solution. It also prevents the growth of microbes. And fourth method for food preservation is by using oil and vinegar. Food items like pickles, vegetables, fish, meat, etc. are preserved by using oil and vinegar. It prevents the growth of microbes. And next method is by heat and cold treatment. Heating food item kills microbes. Similarly, storing food items at low temperature prevents growth of bacteria or microbes. This method is used for preserved milk, and this process is called pasteurization. The process of heating milk to about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilling it to prevent the growth of microbes is called pasteurization. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur. Therefore, milk is preserved by the process of pasteurization. And the next method for preserving food is by storage and packing. Many food items are stored in airtight containers to protect them from microbes. So these are the common methods for preserving food items. And our next topic is nitrogen cycle. In the previous video, we have learned that microorganisms help in nitrogen fixation and nitrogen cycle. All of you know nitrogen in the atmosphere is converted into nitrogen compound in the soil. by nitrogen fixing bacteria and blue-green algae. Lightning also converted into nitrogen compounds in the soil. The nitrogen compound in the soil is used by plants for the synthesis of proteins and other compounds. Animals feeding on plants get these proteins and other compounds. When plants and animals die, bacteria and fungi in the soil convert the nitrogenous waste into nitrogen compound in the soil, which are again used by plants. Some other bacteria convert some nitrogen compounds in the soil into nitrogen gas, which goes back into the atmosphere. Hence, the nitrogen in the atmosphere almost remains constant, and we define nitrogen cycle as a continuous series of natural process by which nitrogen passes successively from air to soil to organism and back to air or soil, involving principally nitrogen fixation, nitrification, decay and denitrification. So this is the nitrogen cycle. You also draw the diagram of nitrogen cycle and describe it. At last, I have given some questions related to topic. You solve it. If you have any queries, write in our comment box. Thank you.